I'm about to try Disney World's Holiday Mickey-shaped liquid nitrogen cake pop. It looks good.
Dip it in, double dip.
First you dip it in the chocolate, then the M&Ms. Dip it in the nitrogen, you do it all again.
Oh, that's me? Whoopsies. Sorry. Thank you, Cora.
You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice your ears.
That's awesome. That's super nice.
Yeah, that was cool. You could say.
Yeah.
Well, Coral tried to give mine away, but it turned out all right.
Thank you, Coral.
I didn't know how this was going to turn out, actually. I once saw a police officer covered in liquid nitrogen, and Arnold Schwarzenegger shot him, and he broke into pieces and then reformed. But my verdict,
I'm gonna go with the not too
it's delicious.
Oh boy! Oh boy!